Making pasta is a rite of passage for an Italian cook, though as Maggie and the moms discuss, the emphasis on preparing healthy foods is more heightened now than ever before.
That's why the art of making fresh pasta is becoming so popular. Colleen Kernan, the owner of Tuscan Women Cook, is here to show us how it's done. Welcome, Colleen.
Well, thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
So excited to have you. So you founded Tuscan Women Cook, which is a cooking school.
I know, you know we need it.
Oh, I want to go. Tell us about the idea of what goes on there first.
So Tuscan Women Cook is, we're actually our 25th anniversary this year. So we're really excited about it. It's Tuscan Women Cook because the women, the nonne, the grandmas, teach the classes. So every morning we cook in the mornings, and then we tour in the afternoons, and we do wine tasting, cheese tasting, olive oil tasting. It's a beautiful, beautiful week. But we teach you every day how to make pasta, you know, with the well and the egg and all that, and that's all lovely. But we really want it to be an accessible meal for you on a Tuesday at 5:30.
Fresh pasta on a Tuesday?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's possible, plausible, and doable. So we have our dough. The way we make our pasta at home, and it's in our cookbook, Tuesday at 5:30, you have your Cuisinart, bump, bump, bump. That's it. You roll it out, let it rest. I have the Atlas that you roll out, but the people have the KitchenAid, so it's easy peasy. So you roll it out as thin as you can do it.
Does it need to be this thin when we roll it out too?
That's about, yeah.
Okay.
You know, one of the things they say in Italian is quante basta. They just, the nonna say QB, QB. So trying to write the cookbook with them was crazy because everything's QB and you can't understand what it really actually is. So.
There's so much fun culture behind the cooking that you get to do. That's what's fun about it too.
And the generational recipes. So these are coming from 4 or 5 generations.
That's amazing.
It's amazing
Authentic.
and simple, and so simple.
Because
that's
pasta
why.
for the dough, you really only need like a couple of ingredients, right?
2.
Flour, salt,
Flour,
oil,
water. No, they just use flour and
That's it.
eggs.
Really?
That's
Flour
it.
and eggs.
And so you don't.
Maybe oil, but depends on the nonna. And if she doesn't use oil, you're not using oil.
I like that nonna.
So that's easy. And then, do you need a pasta maker? Or can you just do it with a rolling pin?
You could, but I really like the Atlas.
Okay.
It's that thing that clamps on, and then. But the other one, I've heard that you put on your KitchenAid, it goes out here like that, and I haven't used it, but everybody loves it. I think one of our friends has that.
Nice.
So what we do, this is so simple, and so we're going to make a pappardelle, and that's the shape. I think there's 167 shapes of pasta, or 172 or something like that. I'm going to cut this off. We won't waste it. So you just took that circle, rolled it into itself. Okay. And then whatever size you want to have of your pasta, we're going to just stick with this because that's what we're eating. So you're just going to come through like this. Very easy, just what the ladies say, with determination. And then you just kind of come through and lift it up, and voila, you have it. Your little pappardelle. Yeah, so you're going to do that.
Okay,
easy, right?
You got this, Farron. You got this.
Yeah, so this is so easy. So now it's, maybe you've waited an hour to rest your pasta. Now it's 6:30. You're cutting it, and you're going to cook it for 2 minutes in a pot of boiling water.
2 minutes, that's all it takes.
Because it's fresh.
Because it's fresh.
Yeah,
Besides that convenience over boxed pasta, what else is so much better about fresh pasta?
I just think that just how the lack of extra ingredients, you know, because you can make your own pasta with this. You have to worry about it. The dried pasta does have, and I'm not being a snob about it, you know, honestly.
You don't want the preservatives.
You don't, exactly. And we're really finding that, you know, our food has so much stuff in it. So, how easy is this? I mean, it's easy and it's fast, and so we're very excited to share with you these simple things. The dough, the longer you let it rest, easier it is to roll out.
Here you go, Farron. So, the question is, how does it taste? And we are lucky enough to be able to find out.
Yay!
You
I
ready?
hope you love it. The nonnas will be so proud. Because these are their recipes, and they love seeing their recipes go around the world. It's wonderful. And it's fresh, 2 to 3 minutes in boiling salted water. No oil in your water.
Oh my goodness, you can taste the difference when it's something that's this fresh like this.
How am I ever going back to boxed pasta?
We can't.
I'm not, am I?
We can't.
Wow. Grazie mille. No. Prego. Amazing.
Prego.
Thank you, Colleen.
Thank you so much. This is so fun.
It is. All right. And you can find out more about fresh pasta making on the Tuscan Women Cook website.